to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a 10-minute get ready with me for, I'm going to the state fair, but you can use this when you go to school, you wake up late and you're like, God damn, I woke up late. Just remember that I keep everything in one place so that I can quickly just grab and go. So if you guys want to do a fast and quick, easy video with me, just keep on watching. Good morning. I am just going to put my hair up and wash my face, and then we will get into the video. So after I wash my face and brush my teeth and clean off my face, I use the Aveeno Radiant face lotion. I normally just do a squirt and a half, like that. And then I, if I tan, I use this tanner, Tan-Luxe. And depends on how tan you want your face to be. My face is really bare right now, so I'm just going to do, they say the minimum is 4. I'll just do 2 drops. 1, 2, and then I just swivel it in my hands. I'm so tired I can't even speak. And then I'm just gonna put it on my face. Put it on the face, but make sure you get really nice and warm. And when I tan my face, the only place that it doesn't really get tan is around my lips. I think it's because I put chapstick on. Get on your neck. I have a double chin, so don't mind. I gotta put a lot down there. And remember to wash your hands, because if you don't, then your hands are going to be tan also. And that is not good, because then you have orange hands. So I'm just pushing it to my hairline because I want to make sure that I get tan all the way to my hairline so people don't notice that I have a tan. Make sure you get everywhere. And then I just go with my chapstick. This is what I use. I've been using this for, I want to say 8 to 9 years, so almost 10 years. They only have these at Walgreens. You can't buy it anywhere else that I've seen. You can go to Walmart, but they have like the triple one, and it's got the cherry one and something else. I don't use the other one, so I might as well just go to Walgreens and just get the 1 for and not the 3 for, you know what I mean. What I use for my foundation is the Clinique foundation plus concealer. Is in golden neutral. I'm just gonna show you guys really quick because I am getting ready to go to the fair today, so I'm just gonna do it really quick, okay? So I use the Morphe E34 brush for that foundation. I normally start on my cheeks. Wait, hold the phone. I forgot to conceal those dark circles under my eyes. I'm just gonna go in with the Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay and pink, because you know you want to conceal that dark circle. I'm gonna look all crazy. I'll be making a lot of facial expressions, but that's okay. I find that if I bring it down lower than my cheekbones, it is a little bit prettier. So I'm gonna go with my sponge. I can't talk. Go really quick. And I drag it just a little bit to the side, because you know my face is really short and stubby, so it makes my face kind of widens out. Good, there we go. And then I'm gonna continue with my concealer. I mean foundation, concealer. Girl, what are you thinking this morning? I don't know, but I can say that I'm really tired because it is 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm doing this video. So after I do the brush, and if I want a little bit more coverage, I will go in with the sponge that comes in the makeup, in the compact. Go over my nose. After we are done with foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Victoria's Secret Pressed Mineral Powder with my NARS, what is this, Tiki brush. Give myself quick contour, because you know you want to take pictures and you want your face to be all pretty. Or you know, when you go to school, you want to hide those double chin that you have. You look at that cute boy and you're like, Blush. I am using the Tarte Paute. I got this in like their birthday bash. I'm using the Morphe E4 angle brush to just go up here. Make sure you get everywhere you want. Like that, like that. A little bit more right here. You know, if he's a little cute, you want to be a little pink blush, you know. There we go. Then I'm gonna go with my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Tarte and for eyes. And this is in a medium brown. And then with my Anastasia B7B, I am going to be doing this on the side here. So it's not that I'm ignoring you guys. It's just, I gotta get that brow good, you know. I think the prettiest is your brows. And then your eyes, you know. He's gonna be looking. And it's nice to have pretty defined brows already. My brows are the ones that take the longest. I'm sure everybody knows that. Like I was saying before, they are sisters, not twins for your eyebrows. Um, my eyebrows are not sisters. They're like cousins, distant cousins. I think it's just one side of my brow is more bald than the other one. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with my Real Benefit eye eyelash. Tilt my mirror a little bit. There we go. Do my eyelashes. I always do my eyelashes first. And I never do my lower brow, brow eyelashes because I don't have any. I just don't have any. Go in one more time. And if you have thin or fat lids like me, I'll show you guys how to go back and kind of clean that up. And then I brush it on my eyebrows. Like that. And I have one more minute to, sit around, drink coffee. I got this cup at Chicago when I went there last week. So, drinking some coffee, wake myself up, And then we are just gonna correct, the mascara that gets onto your lid with the end of a eyebrow. But you gotta let it dry first before you can do this, because if you don't, then girl, everything's gonna get everywhere and you're just not gonna be a happy camper. And that's it. I still have a whole minute left to do anything that you want. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. And on the back of my tiger cup, it talks about the tiger people. It says you're strong, noble, aggressive, independent, and courageous. Also, trends to be selfish and short-tempered. Tiger characteristics are considered unfeminine. Aggressive business will bring more favorable returns. Tigers are likely to succeed in sales, personal management, and uniform career. Does that sound like me? So white. I just don't want to admit it, but it's true. So I still have a minute left. I guess I will do my hair. Comb this weave out, There we go. And I'm just gonna go in my Sugar Bear brush. Comb this mother out. My hair is gray, but it's okay. It's gray. It's just gray. And there you have it. It's all crazy, but when you get to school, nobody is going to notice it. I hope. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I just put a braid in my hair and I'm ready for school. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave it in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.